Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best bike racks for trucks on the market. A product that's perfect for the outdoor enthusiast who loves to travel with their bikes. Whether you're hitting the trails on a weekend adventure or just cruising around town, this bike rack promises to elevate your biking experience. What sets this bike rack apart from the competition? First and foremost, it boasts a sturdy build designed to accommodate various bike sizes and styles. Made from high-quality materials, this rack ensures a secure fit and stability during your drive. No more worrying about your bikes wobbling or shifting as you cruise down the road. Installation is a breeze. With a user-friendly design, you can have this bike rack mounted in just a few minutes. It features an adjustable system that lets you change the height and angle, ensuring it fits perfectly with your truck. And if you're concerned about compatibility, rest assured, this bike rack works seamlessly with a wide range of truck models. One of the standout features of this rack is its impressive capacity. It can hold multiple bikes, making it perfect for family outings or trips with friends. The secure cradles gently hold your bikes in place while also protecting them from scratches and damage. This means you can hit the road with peace of mind, knowing your bikes are safe and sound. Versatility is another key aspect of this bike rack. Its design not only complements trucks but can also be used for various types of adventures, from mountain biking in rugged terrains to leisurely rides through urban landscapes. It's ideal for those who appreciate flexibility in their outdoor equipment. Safety is paramount, and this bike rack does not compromise in that department. It's equipped with robust straps and a secure locking mechanism, ensuring that your bikes stay put no matter how bumpy the road gets. You can focus on your journey, knowing that your gear is securely fastened. Imagine gearing up for a weekend getaway. With this bike rack attached to your truck, the excitement of hitting the road with friends or family is amplified. The scenic views flash by as you drive, and the thrill of adventure waits just ahead. Once you arrive at your destination, unloading is just as simple as loading. It's designed for easy access, so you can quickly get your bikes off the rack and get to the fun without any hassle. This is what makes it a favorite among avid bikers and casual riders alike. In summary, the best bike rack for trucks combines convenience, safety, and versatility. It allows you to enjoy the freedom of biking wherever you go, making it a must-have for any biking enthusiast. If you're looking to enhance your biking adventures with the perfect truck-mounted solution, this bike rack will not disappoint. Thank you for tuning in to Product Critique. If you're interested in making your biking adventures more accessible and enjoyable, be sure to check out this amazing bike rack. Subscribe for more product reviews, tips, and tricks to enhance your outdoor experience. Until next time, happy biking!